Hello everyone, I'm Florin, and in this video I will introduce you and walk you through setting up the prerequisites needed to set up the DAO Casino SDK. DAO Casino is a decentralized blockchain protocol for gambling applications, being used to develop fair casino apps. To find out more about the team behind DAO Casino, you can go to their website, which will be listed in the description. So to actually get started with the SDK, there are a few things we have to install first. First, we have to install Node.js. Any version above 10 will work. During the time of recording, the current version is 11.1.0, so we'll go ahead and use that one. Once Node is finished installing, we can check if it works by going into command prompt and typing npm-b. This will print out the version of npm, which comes with Node. Then we need to actually build the project, so go in command prompt and go to your projects directory. Here we will run the command npm install global production windows build tools. This will install all the things we need in order to build our project. Then we need to also make sure that we have Python installed. One thing to keep in mind is that NodeGIP, which is what we use to build our project, only supports versions below 3, so make sure you have an older version of Python. It is recommended to use 2.7. Now we can finally get to setting up the DAO Casino SDK. The command to install the SDK is npm install dc-cli. And if you followed every step in this tutorial, we are ready to go into the next lesson, where I show you how to set up the game. This has been it for this lesson. See you next time. Huge thanks to David Britwell for joining us on Patreon this month, and if you also wish to support the channel, then you can go to my Patreon down below.